Here we go. Here we go. Thanks for joining us today. Another weekly edition of Market Hunter Thursday. We are going to do another comparison. The two cities we're comparing today to find out which you guys feel is most attractive for investing in real estate. Cincinnati, Ohio versus Lexington, Kentucky. Remember that we did have a guest speaker talking about real estate investing in Cincinnati. That was back on February 25th of this year. That was our main man, John Kasman. Our very first Market Hunter show was discussing real estate investing in Lexington, Kentucky. That was with our good friend Brandon Cutright of Silvestri Real Estate. Why are we picking these two cities? Why? Because Cincy is really only about an hour and a half north of Lexington. You have investors in Cincy investing in Lexington and vice versa. There are some similar demographics between both cities, and there are some that are not so similar. I want you guys to think about, based on a lot of the information I have for you today, where you feel is the most exciting opportunities for real estate investing, because there is a lot of money to be made in both cities. So Cincy, again, hour and a half north of Lexington, population 307,000. That compares to population of Lexington of 324,000. I told you these cities are kind of similar. Median income of Cincy, $38,500. Median income of Lexington, $39,000. $500 difference right there. Median rent in Cincy, $927. Now, median rent in Lexington, just over $1,200. Home value in Cincy, $153,000 versus the home value in Lexington, $212,000. So far, Lexington a little bit higher on median rent and median home value. Price to rent ratio, that's just taking a look at what is the more attractive for folks to either buy or rent in a particular market. Price to rent ratio in Cincy, 13.75 times. Anywhere between 1 to 15 tells you that it's a good market to buy versus to rent. And then in Lexington, the price to rent ratio is 14.5. So again, 13.75 for Cincy, 14.5 for Lexington. In Cincy, the big Procter & Gamble, Kroger Foods, which has 21,000 employees over there, Cintas, Macy's are all headquartered in Cincinnati. In Lexington, you got the big printer company Lexmark headquartered over there, Tempur Sealy, the big mattress company, Ashland Chemicals, and of course, University of Kentucky, right? So a lot of interesting, very similarities between the two cities on demographics. Average home prices in Cincinnati has been going up for 23 straight months. What's behind that streak? The demand has been that strong in Cincy. More than 50% of the householders are renters versus owners over there. If you're an investor over there, whether you're flipping, whether you're owning small, mid-sized, multifamily, Cincy, very, very attractive. The workforce in Cincy is projected to grow 6% over the next 10 years. And a lot of it is in the suburbs, which are growing at a much faster pace, almost 10% growth in the suburbs over the past 10 years. You have some nice, interesting suburbs and some markets in Cincinnati, the west side and even northern Kentucky. If you go back, take a look at our show with John Kasman. Amazon is building a huge hub over there. This is where they want to really be the cornerstone of doing same-day delivery. It's going to be motivated out of that hub that Amazon is building in northern Kentucky, right? Almost equidistant between Lexington and Cincinnati. Whether you like some of the opportunities in the suburbs or even outside the suburbs, you still have some nice growth over the next 10 years. Employment growth in Cincy has been over 1.5% to 2% each year. And again, that median household income is rising almost 2%. So folks, just like we hear about it going on the East Coast, going on the West Coast, there's migration going on in Cincinnati. A lot of new residents are just really attracted by the low cost of living in Cincinnati, the metro area, specifically where that is about 9% below national average, the cost of living in Cincinnati, right? So very attractive. Really good slate of Fortune 500 companies. Going to Kentucky, why are we liking Lexington, Kentucky as well? And again, you guys are going to decide which cities are the best to invest in for real estate. And as you do, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Rents in Lexington have been increasing about 2 to 3% for the past couple of years. Overall, with a lot of networking, a lot of communication that we've been speaking with folks in Lexington over the past couple of years. It's definitely a market that has attracted a lot of folks that like to come in and fix and flips because you can buy homes at a very, very attractive price. There's about 15 submarkets in Lexington. They do not have very high house prices. Think about the dartboard, in a bar or in your basement or something like that, where you have the city, the downtown area of Lexington, the middle of that dartboard, and in the surrounding, circles around that downtown are a lot of the horse farm. You do have submarkets all around downtown, but it's in downtown where you're going to see some of the higher home prices, not so much on the outskirts. Folks, that's a lot of data, I know, between both cities. I want you guys to decide what you really think is a better opportunity. I think there's something for everyone in each of those two cities. I have an idea, clue of where I would prefer to invest, but I am not going to go ahead and involve myself in this debate. I want you guys to go ahead and debate it out. Leave some comments, leave some questions. More than happy to get back to you with my thoughts, with my comments, with my opinions on it. Think about how you are investing, and based off some of the information here, which market could be attractive to your real estate investment strategy. So folks, I'm leaving it here. I think that's a lot of information for you to think on. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comment section. And when you do that, please hit that subscribe button. I hope you have a great, great week. Until next week, we'll speak with you soon. Take care, everybody.